In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to self-configure DNS records in GoDaddy. To get started, sign into your GoDaddy account. Make sure you're using the account that owns the domain you want to update. Once you're in, open the profile menu in the upper right. From there, select My Products so you can see everything tied to your account. Scroll down to the Domain section, click Manage All to open your domain portfolio, find the domain you want to work with, click its name, and then choose Manage DNS. This opens the DNS management page where all of your records are listed. If you see a name servers area, leave it alone unless your provider explicitly told you to change it. Today we're only adjusting individual DNS records. Here you can add brand new records or edit existing ones. To add a record, click Add New Record and choose the record type your external service requested. Common types include A records, which point a host like @ or www to an IPv4 address. AA records for IPv6, cname records, which point a subdomain to another host name, MX records for email routing, which also include a priority, and TXT records often used for verification, SPF, or other policies. GoDaddy will show the exact fields required for the type you select. If you're updating what you already have, locate the existing record in the list and click Edit. This is ideal when changing where www points, updating an IP, or switching email providers. Avoid duplicates. If a record with the same host already exists, edit that one rather than adding a second. For email migrations, replace old MX entries instead of keeping both providers. Now enter the exact values provided by your external service. Use @ for the root domain when instructed, or type the specific subdomain like www or mail. Copy values carefully, including any required prefixes or long TXT strings, and watch out for extra spaces or quotation marks. Set TTL as recommended. It controls how long the record is cached. For MX records, confirm the priority numbers match what you were given. For TXT records like SPF, keep only one SPF policy. If you were given multiple, combine them per your provider's instructions. When everything looks correct, click Save or Save All Records if that option appears. Your changes publish immediately on GoDaddy, but DNS propagation across the internet can take time. Many updates apply within minutes, while others may take a few hours and in rare cases up to a day. After waiting, check the status in the service that asked for the record or confirm your site and email behave as expected. And that's it. You've opened Manage DNS, added or edited the right records, entered the values from your provider, and saved your changes with confidence.